Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to schedule LinkedIn posts. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open it, and after that go and click on posts in the bottom of the screen, in the middle, that plus icon. And after that you can type whatever you want. And to schedule it, you have just to click on that clock icon on the top right of the screen and choose the date and the time of the post that you want to publish. And after that, click next. And when you complete typing your post, you can just click on schedule. And that's it. Your post will be published on the date and the time that you have chosen. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you.